In India, cows are sacred animals.
They are worshipped, not slaughtered, resulting in a massive number of free-ranging cows, 283 million to be exact.
It's actually bizarre and inexplainable how many cows are walking around this country. Dude, you almost just got hit by a cow as I was filming that. Like, that was kind of scary.
The cow was just scared and was like...
If India's cattle were counted as a human population, it'd be the fourth most populous country in the world behind the USA. Even crazier, about 7 million cows are completely homeless. That's like the population of Arizona wandering the streets without food or shelter. India's stray cows are seen blocking streets, causing accidents, destroying fields, and even worse, spreading diseases because they eat garbage which contaminate their milk.
So here we just have a street food vendor and a cow that's eating the trash right next to it.
Illegal dairies across big cities are selling this cheap polluted milk to the poor population, which can be lethal. So why are there so many cows in India? The answer revolves around religion. Mahatma Gandhi once said that the central fact of Hinduism is cow protection, and Hinduism is practiced by about 80% of Indians, or roughly 1.1 billion people. As a result, most states in India prohibit cow slaughter and ban the consumption of beef. So instead of eating hamburgers, which aren't even sold at any McDonald's across India, the cows are worshipped on temples and decorated during festivals. Another reason for the high number of cows is because farmers are increasingly turning them loose when they can't afford to feed them or they get too old and become useless. To me, it seems like a never-ending cycle, and I can only imagine the cow population continuing to grow unless the government decides to do something about it.
I'm Drewbinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.